Today, we will go over how to install the F1002 SuperHitch on your Ford. To start, you may find it helpful to loosen the spare tire. It's not shown here, but if you have a vibration damper, you will want to remove it for now and reinstall it on the SuperHitch later. If you have a factory hitch, you'll want to remove these 4 bolts on each side to remove it from the truck. When these are loosened, the hitch will be completely off the truck, so it is highly recommended to have a second person to secure it while you remove the last couple. Then, use the provided hardware to replace the original bolt locations. You will use these to install the SuperHitch plates. To make it a bit easier, we started with just putting on a single nut with nothing else to secure the plate to the frame, which will allow you to put the rest of the flat washers on the nuts and the rest of the plates on easier. Make sure you put all the appropriate hardware on the bolts. Leave them hand tight for now so you can adjust the plates onto the SuperHitch cross tube. Once you get both ends of the cross tube in, secure it to the plates with the appropriate hardware and torque them down to the proper specs. Once the plates and SuperHitch are secured together, then go back to the frame mounted bolts to torque them down to the proper specs. If you like, we recommend securing the wires to the plate to avoid them from bouncing around on the road. Once everything is good to go, you have now successfully installed your 20K Super Hitch on your Ford.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift product, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit us at torklift.com or call us at 800-246-8132.